Hey friends and welcome to D Smart Click. एक ऐसा क्लिक जो लुक्स को एनहांस करता है, एक ऐसा स्टिल शॉट जो ब्यूटी के बेस्ट मोमेंट को कैप्चर करता है, एक ऐसा चांस जो आर्टिस्ट को बाहर निकालता है. यस ऑफ कोर्स, डी स्मार्ट क्लिक एक ऐसा शो जो एस्पायरिंग आर्टिस्ट और मॉडल्स को एक प्लेटफॉर्म देता है. और ये सिलसिला आज भी जारी है. इस सिलसिले के पीछे हैं क्लिक एक्सपर्ट, बेस्ट आर्टिस्ट and famous photographer Darshan Dixit.
Darshan Dixit, an international fashion photographer who has redefined glamour and style. A photographer who works with international brands which has a desi heart who loves life and energy. Photography is not just his profession, it is his love affair with lights. D Smart Click is a search of this restless photographer who is in search of a photo of his lifetime.
एक्चुअली दर्शन एक ऐसे फोटोग्राफर हैं जिनके कैमरे की नज़र बहुत तेज़ है. दिव्या ने भी उनके हुनर को जाना एंड फाइनली शी नॉक द डोर ऑफ दी स्मार्ट क्लिक. दिव्या भी अपने नाम की तरह बहुत ही ब्राइट और स्टनिंग है. सो लेट्स मीट हर.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ दिव्या द्विवेदी. आज से ठीक 10 साल पहले मैंने भी एक सपना देखा और उस सपने को साकार करने के लिए मैं इस मुंबई, इस बॉलीवुड में, इस माया नगरी में आई. सारी दुनिया जानती है यहाँ की चमक धमक को, यहाँ की रोशनी को, और यहाँ की रोशनी से कोई भी ऐसा इंसान शायद नहीं होगा जो वाकिफ़ नहीं होगा. देश विदेश से लोग यहाँ इस बॉलीवुड में आते हैं अपने सपनों को साकार करने के लिए.
Oh my God, दर्शन, मैं दिव्या की फोटोग्राफ्स देख रही हूँ and they are absolutely stunning and yeah, she looks good. दिव्या को कैसे सेलेक्ट किया आपने?
Well, Asta, what I believe in is nothing is forever. Forever is a lie, and what we have is something between hello and goodbye. So when Divya said hello to D Smart Click, I said why not? Divya is beautiful, she's bold, and she already has a portfolio. She's been working with the industry since a long time. तो अभी टाइम है कि दिव्या का पोर्टफोलियो से अपग्रेड कराना है, एंड इट्स रियली नाइस टू वर्क विद समवन हु हैज़ गॉट अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. सो आई सेड वेल इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर दी स्मार्ट क्लिक एंड फॉर दिव्या.
या ऑफ कोर्स. तो आई मीन आई कैन वेरी वेल सी द फोटोग्राफ्स. मुझे लग रहा है बहुत मज़ा आया होगा आपको भी, एंड आई एम श्योर शी मस्ट हैव एंजॉयड अ लॉट. सो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? लाइक हाउ शी केम अप एज?
Well, Asta, let me tell you that to work with someone like Divya, okay, it's sometimes very easy or sometimes very difficult.
Yeah.
All right, it's very easy because she has got a lot of experience. She knows how to pose in front of the camera. She knows how to look at the camera. She has the attitude. But the negative point is she has experience.
Yeah.
Now the thing is कि कैसे होता है, sometimes if you have experience you think that I know everything.
Right.
Yeah, but with Divya it was not like that. She was very open to new things, and she had a faith. It's very important to trust someone if you want to work with him. So she had her own suggestions कि मुझे ऐसा करना है, मुझे वैसा करना है, but she had all the faith in me. Okay, so if I say कि नहीं ऐसा करना है, she was okay with it. So it was really fun to shoot her.
Yeah, but जैसे न्यू कमर्स का आपने बोला, you know, if you're new तो थोड़ा सा कभी इजी होता है, but then the confidence thing happens because you know you just don't know and you have to portray ethnic and then bold also. तो वहाँ थोड़ा सा confidence का problem होता है.
It takes time for a newcomer to be friendly with the camera, friendly with the photographer, but if you have experience, you know what the camera is, you know how to pose, you know what sort of looks the photographer wants. With Divya, I thought that she was just reading my mind. She was giving me all the looks which I want. Okay. So it was fun, and it was a great experience to work with her.
I was just going through with these pictures. So I just saw this picture, which is very sensuous and very nice. I would want to know this question ki, how do you define vulgarity and you know, a decent expose and you know, sensuality and vulgarity?
There's a very thin line, okay, that divides something that's cheap and something that's graceful. So what happened with Divya was graceful because she knows how to carry herself. Yeah, it's very important. I would say that the most important thing is your attitude. Yeah, if you have the attitude and if you know how to carry yourself, then it looks graceful. So I guess we were able to draw that thin line and we were able to make it graceful rather than making it cheap.
No, yes, of course you have. जैसे फोटोग्राफर एंड कैमरा इट्स से लाइक दिव्या, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दिव्या, एक फेस है, उसमें कुछ एसेट्स हैं, कुछ माइनस भी होते हैं, तो एक कैमरा, एक फोटोग्राफर का रोल है कि यू नो एनहांस द एसेट. तो इस मामले में आपको दिव्या में कुछ प्लस, कुछ ऐसा माइनस लगा जो आपको लगा कि ना हियर आपको काम करने की ज़रूरत है?
What I feel is every person has certain angle in which they look great, they look fabulous, and certain angle which they don't look that great. Yeah. So it's very important as a photographer to observe the models carefully, and see which angle do they look the best. Now that angle is visible for a fraction of second, so you need to be very aware and you need to concentrate on the model. So with Divya, I guess she looks very nice in the front pose because her jawline is visible. She has got a good face, beautiful eyes, and the attitude that she has.
Darshan, the way you've mentioned, you know, she poses well, she reads out the mind and all other things, but still, because photographer और model का इस तरह का relationship होता है, you know, you have to pose ethnic and in other ways also. So what was the comfort level? Was she free enough to understand, express, and had your point of view?
See, as I said, it takes some time for any model to be free with the photographer, free with the camera, but Divya had a tremendous trust in me. Yeah, she had tremendous faith in me. So she was comfortable right from the first look, which is very rare. You know, you hardly see this thing with any other model. She was very comfortable with all the looks that we gave her. As I said, she had her own suggestions कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा करना है, but when I said कि नहीं ऐसा करना है, so she was okay with it because she had that trust. So I guess the comfort level was awesome, was out of the world.
Oh yes, of course, I'm sure. जो मैंने photographs देखे हैं, मुझे लगता है कि shoot तो amazing रहा होगा. एक नज़र डालते हैं. I'm just getting excited to watch it.
One hand here like this.
Oh my God, that was just great, amazing. You had a lot of fun. Indoor, outdoor, I mean...
We were shooting Divya in a swimming pool and it was cold, okay? The water was freezing cold and Divya was looking stunning hot in those pictures.
But this one?
Yeah, this one.
ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि ठंडा पानी है. She's looking very comfortable.
Because she was enjoying it.
Yeah.
And I guess the person who enjoys the work is the right person for that work.
Right.
If you don't enjoy your work, you are not capable enough to do that work, I guess.
Yeah, performance proper नहीं निकलेगा. You know,
Exactly.
you're just doing out of some
Yeah.
obligation or something. No, it was very nice the way you've lighting work जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, and the blue water, and I could see the
reflection.
The background here, which is like little defocused, the green here, which is like nice. पूरा जो पहले हम बात कर रहे थे assets के बारे में, पूरा बहुत assets बाहर आ रहे हैं, like the whole plus in her, which is very good. I am running with so many questions in my mind. I can't just tell you, but time थोड़ा सा कम है, तो बहुत सारे और भी सवाल हैं मेरे दिमाग में जो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी. I'm sure we'll catch all those in the next episode.
Sure, the journey continues.
Yeah, this was amazing. बहुत जानने को मिला. I'm sure हमारे viewers जो देख रहे हैं ये show, बात कर रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, वो भी समझ रहे हैं that whether you have an experience, you need to enhance, you know, you need to upgrade yourself. और अगर आप newcomer हैं, you want to get into this field, you want to become a supermodel, तो भी कोई tension वाली बात नहीं है, you know. Like he is always there to cooperate you and to assist you. So thank you so much, Darshan, and we're gonna catch up again in the next episode.
Sure.
Thank you so much. So friends, this was for today D Smart Click. आपने दिव्या के फोटोग्राफ्स देखे, आपने पूरे फोटो शूट का एक्सपीरियंस देखा, एंड यू केम टू नो कि किस तरह इफ़ यू लाइक ऑलरेडी हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस यू नीड टू अपग्रेड योरसेल्फ, और अगर आप न्यू कमर हैं तब भी दर्शन इज गोइंग टू बी देयर फॉर यू फॉर द असिस्टेंट. तो आप घबराइए मत. इफ़ यू वांट टू बिकम सुपर मॉडल, सो जस्ट गेट सेट टू गो. दोस्तों, अगर आप भी डी स्मार्ट क्लिक का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं, अगर आपके दिल में भी चाहत है कुछ कर गुजरने की, तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं एनी टाइम इफ यू वांट हैव योर पोर्टफोलियो डन फ्रॉम दर्शन दीक्षित।